Hi guys, Brendan Lay here again from Naked Real Estate. Today I have the pleasure to present Tony and Paula's beautiful property here at 143 Holden Road in Roleystone. The first thing you'll notice when you turn in through the electric gates of this beautiful property is how secluded it is. Built on a battle axe behind the other homes, no one knows you're here. And wait until you see inside. There's nothing to spend anywhere. From the moment you walk in the front door of this lovely cosy home, you know you're somewhere special. Imagine sitting in the lounge room with the open fire roaring, listening to music or watching your favourite movie. There is absolutely nothing to spend in the gourmet kitchen, and then the bedrooms are all double sizes with built-in robes. Even the bathroom and ensuite have been renovated for you. So it's just move in and unpack. A couple of features I really love about this home are the high ceilings throughout, and then a beautiful north-facing skylight that lets the natural ambient light flow through to give you a beautiful light home. As you can see guys, this is a true hills home with lots of trees, all situated on 2,067 square metres, or in the old language, half-acre block. There's also a nice big workshop out the back which has entrances to both ends that's fully powered. On top of that, imagine sitting out here enjoying this lovely alfresco area while you listen to the birds and watch the wildlife. Remember, we are on with select date sale, so make your viewing appointment promptly. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.